To zoom in on an image, you first click on the image you want to zoom in on. Then you go up here to the transform and you click on zoom. The higher the number is, the bigger the image will be. You can adjust the position of the image by clicking on the position X box. The smaller the number is, it will move it to the left. The larger the number it will move it to the right. To move the image up and down, click on the position Y box. The larger the number is, it will move it up. The smaller the number is, it will move it down.